And today we are building some iced coffee recipes. I'm so excited because I love coffee and I need coffee. Haven't drank coffee yet today, so we need to make some. I would say all of these recipes are pretty simple. They're not too difficult. I think if you have a basic Keurig, you'll be fine. I know this looks kind of intimidating, but it's literally just a Keurig. It also does espresso. So one of the recipes you do need an espresso maker. Mine comes with a frother, but if you do not have a frother, it's okay. You can get one off of Amazon. It's super inexpensive, and I'll link a good one below so you can pick up a frother. So let's go ahead and get into the first recipe. Okay, we're starting off making an iced hazelnut mocha. So I love the Stoke cold brew. I just got it from the grocery store, and I'm pouring in about 8 ounces of coffee. Next, we're doing 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate. Now, 1/4 cup of milk. One tablespoon of hazelnut syrup. Also, I eyeball everything, don't hate me. And then I'm gonna blend it up with my hand blender from Amazon. This is my favorite thing on earth. I use it every single day to make coffee, so I'm gonna link that below. Adding in my ice, and then I think everything needs to be topped with some whipped cream and some caramel drizzle or whatever that is. So this is the iced hazelnut mocha. It's so dang good. Next up, we're making a frappuccino. Frappuccino or frappe? I don't know. Okay, so this was like 70 cents from the grocery store, and I'm just following the directions on the package. You add some milk, you put in the mixture, and then you put in some ice. And I went ahead and blended it, and it turned out so delicious. And this was definitely the easiest one because it was everything in the package. He definitely wanted some, but he didn't get any. Okay, the next one is the Starbucks Copycat creme brûlée latte. So I am brewing 1 shot of espresso. Next, in my frother, I'm putting in 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup and 1 cup of milk. I used almond milk. So here comes some caramel. You don't need to do that, but I don't know. I was experimenting. Poured it into my 1 shot of espresso. And of course, we topped it with some whipped cream. And oh yeah, duh, we need some ice. Mix it all up. And here comes the whipped cream. There it is. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, whipped coffee. 1 tablespoon of hot water, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, some sugar. How much sugar? 1 tablespoon of sugar. I just put in a bunch of stevia, a bunch of cinnamon, and I tried to blend it up with my hand blender. Guys, this is a fail. It didn't work. You're supposed to whisk it. I wanted to use my KitchenAid, but then I didn't because I didn't want to clean it, so I did this, and it was a big fail. Look at that texture. That's not the way it's supposed to be. But I decided to go with it. Here's 1 cup of milk. Here is my mixture. I think someone would drink it. I don't know. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, I don't know why I'm trying to half butt this whipped coffee. I don't know if this is focused on me at all. I don't know why I'm trying to half butt this whipped coffee, but honestly, it takes so long to make. You can put it in the KitchenAid and it'll whip up and it'll be great. And it takes like 2 seconds, but I don't feel like cleaning the KitchenAid because it's a whole thing for me. I don't know. I'm just lazy like that. Clearly my hand blender did not work, so just forget about that. So if you want whipped coffee, do exactly what I did, but literally whisk it and then pour it into the thing. If you don't know what whipped coffee is, look at any TikTok video ever, but it does taste really good. It's super, super, super sweet, and then like, it's a little too sweet. But yeah, that was the other one I was trying to do. With the other ones, guys, they're so good. Let me show you all of them. Bubble! Come here! I need you for my video. Yeah. Okay. I need the husband test. Is it Starbucks in here or what? Okay, now I'm gonna have my husband test, and he's gonna tell me which one is his favorite.
Let's try this one first. It's a little stronger, and you can taste cinnamon in that one.
It was the whipped coffee fail.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That one's also a little strong. I can't really tell the flavor that's going on, but when you get the whipped cream and caramel with it, it's muy bueno.
That was the Copycat Starbucks creme brulee.
Creme brulee. Okay. Never had that, so I don't know what it's supposed to taste like. Oh, this one's my favorite.
Me too. That's the Frappuccino.
I was gonna say it tastes. Highly recommend you guys start with this one. I don't know. Can't really taste much of this one. Maybe I gotta mix it.
I think it's because the other one's so strongly flavored. You probably shouldn't have did that one after. But that
it's good, but that one has like a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
That's my favorite.
Well, that one literally has like ice cream in it, so that's why.
This one?
Yeah.
And I like how all of them were like kind of like liquidy, and this one definitely had like that crunchy ice feeling.
Well, it's because it was a Frappuccino.
My favorite.
Okay. Buddy wants to try.
Yeah, I'd be bouncing and pooping his pants.
The mocha was good though too, wasn't it?
Which one's the mocha? The last?
The dark one, yeah.
It was good. But it's so hard because this one was so sweet.
Yeah, he shouldn't have drank that one before the mocha. Because the mocha tastes more like coffee, you know, the way coffee should taste. So, those were
that was so yummy.
Alright everyone, that is it for today's coffee video. This one was clearly our favorite, so definitely try this one out. Or the mocha. The whipped coffee is really good, but like I said, I failed that one. I will leave something below so you can actually make it. The creme brulee is very, very good too. So that one's stronger, like Tony said, because it tastes more like, that's why it has like that one shot of espresso and things like that, so that's why that is stronger. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead with my non-coffee drink. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this one, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up and comment below your favorite coffee drink. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.